To make PDF file from images, we'll be using canva.com to do this. When you come into Canva, you want to click on this plus sign and you want to come to photo editor. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want the PDF file to be in an A4 size, you want to search for A4 here. Search for A4. You can select this one to start working with that. But for me, I want to use the images so that their frames can enter the way they are. I don't want to resize these images myself, so I will go with photo editor. And you want to start to bring in your photos from here. I'm going to click on upload. Let me select this photo, and this photo opens up. The next thing you want to do is to click on create design. So this opens up to give you a document. So you want to now click on the add page here to add in other photos that are here. So you want to come to uploads here and click on the upload files to bring in more photos from your file. I'm just going to put in this picture here and I'll go to the next page. I want to put in this picture here. So these are all demo pictures. Let me double tap and bring it down like so and click out. So you're adding more page and continue to add in your pictures. I'm going to drop this like so and I'll bring it here and keep it by the side, and I'll go find another one. I'm going to bring this here and decide to resize it like so. You see it fits in, and I begin to form my pictures. I can bring in another picture that I want. Let me bring in this picture. I'll keep it here and I'll continue to resize. So you just arrange the picture how you would want it to appear in your PDF. So you see we've added this picture. If you want to add in another picture, depending on how you want your pictures arranged. So I'm going to slap in this picture here and I'm going to bring it down like so and just quickly give it a bit of resize. Take this one up a bit and you see I've formed this image with multiple pictures and you can see our pictures here. Once you're done with that, you want to click on share here and click on download. From here you see it's in PDF print. You want to click on either PDF standard if you're emailing this, or you want to click on PDF print if you're going to be printing it, whichever one your choice is. But let's click on PDF standard since we want to send the file to someone, and you hit on download to download this design into your device.